Good morning, grade 6. Okay, so once again, Teacher X here, and I'm happy to see all of you. And we're here to see another video discussion for our subject for today for Science 6. Okay, so last time we have tackled the different systems, the muscular system, the digestive system, but first of all, the skeletal system and the respiratory system. So today we will tackle about the integumentary system. Okay, so these are the parts and functions of the integumentary system, or I mean the parts. We'll discuss later the functions of these parts. So the first part is the largest organ, which is the skin, the hair, the nails, and glands. Okay, so first, we'll tackle about the skin. So the skin is the biggest organ of the body. It is made up of three layers. The outer layer called the epidermis. So there are three layers. The first one is the epidermis. The middle layer is called the dermis, and the third layer is called the subcutaneous layer. Okay, so take note ha. Okay, magamit nyo gid na. Next, first, we'll tackle the first layer of the skin, which is the epidermis. So the epidermis is the outermost layer of the skin. It is made up of flat and dead cells. So the dead cells contain the substance keratin. And keratin prevents water and microorganisms from entering the body. So ang makita nyo mismo sa inyo nga sa subong is ang epidermis. It is consists of flat and dead cells, and the dead cells contains keratin, and keratin prevents water and microorganisms from entering the body. So ini may keratin ini sa aton nga panit ang sa upper part of our ang skin. Okay? Next is the pores. The skin also has tiny openings or hole-like structures called pores. Sweat and oil pass through of the body through the pores. So ini makita nyo, may mga pores ini kung natulukon nyo inyong panit subong may mga pores. So ang gabuho-buho na ang di gagwa ang panit ay ang panit. Sorry, ang balhas amo na sa ginatawag tanga pores. Next is the melanin. So another type of cell found beneath the epidermis produces the substance called melanin. And melanin is the that determines the skin color of a person. So ang cell nga nag-produce sa melanin is ang melanocytes. Okay, ito muna sa nag-produce ang melanin. So, paano ito ganyan mabalaan kung ang tao daw melanin? Mas dark ang iya nga color. Okay, tandaan nyo gina, mas dark ang color sa tao, mas damo sa melanin, kag mas maprotektahan sa melanin sungod sa init. Okay? Next part is the middle layer, which is the dermis. The next layer is the dermis. So the dermis, the cells located at this part are alive and have the ability to multiply. So dermis na sa. So they also contain the protein called collagen, and it contains the sweat glands. So sa collagen nga ini, din na belong ang sweat glands, oil glands, hair follicles, blood vessels, and nerve endings. Due to the presence of the different nerve endings, one can react to the different stimuli the skin is exposed to. When we say stimuli, do signal inisa, which determines pressure, pwede sa pressure, pain, kung kusiong kita, kung matuslok kita sa dagom, so dra sa dermis, dra na da sa naga-trigger na makadto sa brain ng signal. Texture, kung mag-touch ta sang rough na surface, dra na sa naga-trigger man sa dermis. Okay, next, temperature, kung mainita na atong panit, and even tickling sensations, or kung makalaman kita, dra na sa. Okay, next, we'll discuss about the sebum. What is a sebum? So sebum is the oil produced by the oil glands. It acts as natural moisturizer of the skin. It prevents the skin from drying up and has the ability to repel water to some extent, making the skin waterproof. So ang sebum, tandaan nyo gid, kay may pamangkot na karon kung ano ni sa ang sebum. So ang sebum is an oil nga prevents ang water from entering our skin. So, waterproof ang atong skin tungod sa sebum. And it also serves as a natural moisturizer. Okay. So, kanami kay ang atong skin is my natural moisturizer, which is the sebum. Next, or the last, or the beneath the dermis is the subcutaneous layer. So the innermost layer is the subcutaneous layer, which is a layer of fat tissues, and it serves as a storage of food and energy and also acts as heat insulator of the body. So ang upper part is the epidermis, the second part is the dermis, and the last part or the innermost part is the subcutaneous layer, which acts as a heat insulator of the body, and diri na dinabilang ang mga fat tissues naton. Next, tapos na sa skin, sa hair naman kita. Hair is also made up of keratin. The root hair starts from the subcutaneous layer and it goes out of a tiny tube in the skin called follicle. As it grows from the dermis and through the epidermis, so nagagwa gid ang hair ta. Nagagwa ang hair ta, gaagi sa epidermis kay sa dermis. It protrudes to the surface of the skin, so nagabulto sa amat-amat kag nagatubo. Okay? A hair strand is made up of both living and dead cells. The living part is located at the bottom, where the new cells are produced, and the rest of the parts are already dead cells. So, ang sa bottom, muna sa living cells, kag nagkapasaka ta sa mga dead cells naman sa. Next is the nails. What about the nails? Kuko. So, like your hair, your nails are also made of keratin. So, kalabanan sa integumentary system ta is ang lalabot sa skin is ang nails kagang hair is made up of keratin. So the root cells are found in the epidermis. Din ganing epidermis, upper, middle, o innermost. Very good, it is the upper. New cells are produced in the nail bed, and as they mature, they are pushed away. So muna sa kagat galaba ang aton nga kuko. Gina-push ni sa gali. Look at the picture or the illustration na nakita nyo kung di na belong ang aton nga nail kag ang kung anong ginaprotektahan niya. New cells are produced in the nail bed, and as they mature, they are pushed away, natulod. Fingernails and toenails grow at different rates. So, sari-sari. Ang kadasigon magtubo sa kokota. Lain ang sa kamot, lain ang sa tiil. So, fingernails grow faster than toenails. So, mas ladasig ang fingernails ta, magtubo kasi sa toenails ta. So, nails protect. So, laban ta magpa-manicure kaysa magpa-pedicure. Okay. So, conclusion na sa. Nails protect and serve as support for the sensitive tips of fingers and toes. So, ginaprotektahan niya ang sensitive tips of fingers and toes o kung ang bone of fingertip. Ginaprotektahan sang nails. Next is the glands. The sweat glands and the oil glands are the glands found in the skin. So the sweat glands helps in regulating body temperature and removes excess water and salts, while the oil gland provides natural moisturizer to the skin o kunang sebum to sa niba ang natural moisturizer sa skin kag nagaprotect sang aton panit nga magsulod ang tubig, na protektahan niya nga para hindi makasulod ang tubig. So, ang sweat naman galiya mo ni saang ginapagwa sang lawas ta para ma-regulate ang aton nga body temperature kag diri man ginapagwa ang mga higko sa aton lawas. So, we have the common injuries and disorders of the integumentary system. First one ay let us enumerate. First one is the acne, next one is the fungal infections and boils, and the fourth one is the skin cancer. First is the acne. So, common isa sa mga teenagers. So, acne is a disorder of the skin formed by pimples found either on the face, chest, or back. It is the most common skin disorder among teenagers. And this happens when there is an increase in the level of hormones. So, hormones gina may sala, causing the sebaceous glands to secrete a large amount of sebum into hair follicles. So, kung sebum o kung oil, gadamo ang oil sa aton nga hair follicles o kung gasulod sa aton nga pores pagid. So, person with pimples should consult a dermatologist for proper treatment. So, ang responsible nga doktor para sa aton nga skin is ang dermatologist, nagapaderma kita. So, that is acne. Next, fungal infections. So, fungal infections in the skin are caused by microorganisms called fungi. Common dire ang ringworm and ang athlete's foot are example of fungal infection. So, ringworms form reddish circular patches in the skin. So, ano ini sa aton pa ang bun-e. Okay, so ang athlete's foot naman, of course, between the toes. So, muna sa ang nagatry ang aton nga tiil kag nagapanit-panit. Okay? So, mabulong ini sa through antifungal ointments and creams. Amo na sa. So, sa left side naton is ang ringworm and the right side is ang athlete's foot. Next one is the boils. Boils develop if the hair follicles are infected by bacteria. Bacteria man. Bacteria may enter, ano ganiya kagina ang Fungal infection caused by fungi. Drea bacteria may enter the skin through the opening in the follicles